Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we have a very interesting problem, and in this problem we have one data set, which is this one, and this is an input data set, and from this input data set we have to generate this output data set. So this problem is very easy, and if you can see in the first row in input data set we have A2. So in the output we want to print two rows for A. So that is why we have two rows for A here. And let's look into the second record in input dataset. We have B3. So that is why in the output dataset we have B 3 times. And similarly in the input we have C5. So we have C5 times in the output dataset. So this is our problem. And to solve this problem, we can use compress function. And in compress function we have different type of modifiers. For example, if we want to get only uh, letters from this input dataset cell, then we can do this with kd modifier in compress function. Keeps only numerical value. So suppose from this input dataset, if we want to keep only numeric value, for example, this cell is A2, and from this A2 we want to keep only number, which is 2. So we can do this by using kd modifier. Modifier keeps only numerical value from a string. We can use this one, and suppose if we want to keep only the letters, that is from A2, if we want to keep only A, then we can use another modifier which is AK, which keeps only alphabet from the string. So these two modifiers will help us to solve this problem. So let's jump into our SAS on demand academy and try to solve this problem using these two modifiers. So we have a dataset called input, and in this input dataset we have char column, and in this char column we are inserting A2, B3 and C5. So let's run this and generate the dataset first. So now we have our dataset, and to solve this problem what we will do is, because we want to print 2 times A for this first row, right? So that means if by some way, if we can figure out to take out this value 2, then we can run the loop from value I is equal to 1 to 2, and inside that loop we can print this 2 times A. Similarly, if we want to print 3 times B, then we will try to take out this value 3, and we will run the loop from 1 I equal to 1 to 3, and inside that loop we will try to print this B 3 times. So this will be our approach. So let's see how we can do this. So first let's create the dataset, which is output, and set this input dataset. And first let's try to take out this number from this dataset, and we can do this by using compress function. So let's do this in digit variable, input of compress char, because our column name is char, and let's pass the kd modifier, and also let's convert this into numeric type. Let's run this. Yes, so you can see we have the numbers now in this digits. So you can see we have 2 here, 3 here and 5 here. So we have 2, 3, 5 in this digit column. Similarly, let's also take out the digits or take out the letters, and let's call this as word, and instead of kd now we have to pass ak, and because we are taking out the word, so no need to convert this into numerical type, otherwise it will throw an error. So now let's run this. Okay, now you can see uh, we have successfully able to split these into letters and words. So we have 2a, 3b and 5c here. Now what we want is, we have to run the loop from I is equal to 1 to this digit value, and inside this we have to print this word value, right? So let's do this also, and we can do this by do I equal to 1 to this digit value, and let's close this loop, and inside this let's create a column, maybe let's create call, and inside this call let's assign this word, and also let's do the output. Let's run this. So you can see now, using this digit and word, we are running this loop from I is equal to 1 to 2. So that is why we have I value as 1 and I value as 2 in the next iteration, and we are printing letters 2 times in this call column. And similarly for this digit 3 value, we are running the loop from I is equal to 1 to 3 and also printing this B 3 times. Similarly we are printing this C 5 times. So now what we want is, because we want only this column in our final output, so let's remove all these other cells and just keep column. And we can do this by using keep call, and let's run this again. So this was our input data set and this is our output data set. So this is how we can solve this problem. So going forward, I will be posting more SAS challenges on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get notifications regarding all the problems that I am posting on my channel on YouTube, so please subscribe my channel and please like this video. Thank you.